everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Today we're going to cover what natural language processing is, as well as how it works. And then at the end of the video, we're also going to look at some of the interesting applications of natural language processing. As always, if you have any questions as you watch this video, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or find it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Let's jump into it. So what is natural language processing? Well, natural language processing, also known as NLP, is a branch of artificial intelligence. Natural language processing makes it possible for machines to understand English or any other human languages. Natural language processing works towards building systems that can perform tasks like grammar checking, topic classification, or even translation. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assist are popular examples of natural language processing. When you ask a question to Google, for example, how is the weather? It's natural language processing that translates the English to numbers, making it easy for machines to understand. Chatbots are another common application of natural language processing. NLP-equipped tools are becoming a standard in companies to understand data and automate mundane assignments. Recommendations for text while drafting emails, filtering emails to the spam folder, offering to translate a post or message or website, which is a different language. Natural language processing has so many everyday applications that we may not even notice them anymore. So how does natural language processing work? Natural language processing first applies linguistics to understand the words and their grammar, and then it utilizes algorithms to create intelligent systems that can perform an array of tasks. Natural language processing mainly uses two techniques to assist machines to understand the text. They are syntactic analysis and semantic analysis. So what is syntactic analysis? Well, this analyzes basic text and grammar rules. It helps to understand simple sentence structure, word organization, and how words connect to each other. Some of its subtasks include breaking up text into smaller parts, tagging verbs, nouns, adjectives, etc., to understand the context, reducing inflected words for easy understanding, and eliminating frequently occurring words like I, you, had, and so on, that don't add any semantic value. Now, what is semantic analysis? Well, this type is more focused on understanding the meaning of the text. It first understands the words on an individual level, called lexical semantics, and then it understands phrases and what it means. Subtasks for semantic analysis include trying to identify which sense of the word is in the context, and understanding how different entities in a sentence connect to each other. Now let's look at the applications of natural language processing in business. Tools built with natural language processing are assisting several companies to understand their customers better when it comes to communication, product reviews, social media posts, and so on. AI-enabled tools are not only being used to understand online conversation, but also used to automate mundane and repetitive tasks that are time-consuming. So this increases the efficiency and enables workers to focus on other responsibilities. Language translation. Translation tools have really improved over the past few years. Now, this allows businesses to communicate in different languages and hence improve communication on a global level to break into new markets. Then there's sentiment analysis. This analysis is conducted in the text where AI identified the emotions in the language as negative, positive, or neutral. Companies gain insights into how the customers feel about their company and their products through product reviews, surveys, and even social media posts. Chatbots. This application of AI is designed to talk with humans through speech or text. Chatbots are increasingly becoming a standard in the customer care industry as they can offer 24/7 assistance. Chatbots can attend to multiple queries, so human agents can focus on deep customer issues. Furthermore, chatbots continuously learn from each interaction, and therefore they're able to understand the user's intention better with each communication. Text extraction. This application lets you pull out predetermined information from text. This is especially helpful to companies that deal with large amounts of data. The app assists to recognize keywords, features, and named entities like emails, location, people, etc., etc. Then there's topic classification. Topic classification allows you to organize unstructured text into different categories. This enables companies to look into insights from consumer responses. It can analyze hundreds of open-ended opinions with detailed comprehensions. So there we have it. We've covered what natural language processing is, how it works, and the applications of natural language processing. Can you think of more applications of natural language processing? If so, let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.